shop. Y'all already seen the intro to the Nova. We'll be doing some work on her today. But we got a very special guest in the building, man, today. Would have never thought that we would have this in our shop here at AUDIOZONE, man. It's a privilege and an honor to have a world-renowned superstar, somebody like no other, a comedian like no other. Say something, Chappelle.
What's up, everybody?
No, that's not really Chappelle, man, but you cannot tell me that that man does not look like Chappelle. I'm over here working back here, and I'm looking, I'm like, damn it, this man looks like David Chappelle. Like, you know, it is what it is, guys, you know what I'm saying? But in this video continuing, today we're gonna get to do some maintenance on the Nova, and also bring you some of the DLR boards we're doing today. I was just talking to my clients here. It's pretty cool that I preach something to customers, because sometimes I don't follow my own rules. I tell customers sometimes it's better to get the product from the store installing it, because they are responsible if it fits or if it doesn't fit. So we got this brother right here, who came in with his Cracker 300. He had some work done on his vehicle. He wanted to install some DLRs. He went and ordered his own kit, and we're doing the install. And after we separate the headlight, we had to tell you what to use.
The little lineman pins don't fit.
They don't fit, so it wasn't a proper fitment. But again, being that this is AUDIOZONE and home of the AudioCat, we're always gonna try to figure out what we could do. We figured out a way to make it work for him. We're gonna get this car done for him today as soon as possible. Meet another customer here. I don't know who he looked like. Y'all can comment below and tell me who. Listen, it's wintertime. Everybody here normal. Well, besides Chappelle, he got flip-flops on in the winter. But this man over here in shorts, man. Why are you in shorts today?
I'm hot nature.
Huh?
I'm hot nature.
Where you live? Where you born originally?
Here.
Texas your whole
Yeah,
life?
the whole
So
life.
how you so hot nature with them damn shorts?
I'm hot.
You just hot?
Yeah.
That's what you tell the girls you hot?
No.
Oh no, you married, right?
I'm married.
She gonna watch this video, she be like, you better get them damn points to me, man. But anyway, y'all, I'll be back with y'all and I'll show you what's going on here in the shop. Spoke to you guys about, man, I'm gonna show you guys what's going on. My son's working on it, but the lights that he had were not the proper lights. Hold on, let me show you something, Isaac. Just real quick. He's got it working, man, but there was a little tab in here. You can see, if you look at this facility, we had to modify these tabs to make it work. Well, you know, he's got it done, man, because times the things when you do think a lot, you become very good at it. You can do a lot of crazy things, man. So that was going on for this man. K-Town 300, score 300, hit him up. We also got another DLR kit that just came in that customer ordered. I like that Ghost 392, man. Look how that's ghosted into the car. I actually like that a lot. But we'll continue, man. I'll show you what's gonna be happening in the Murder Nova. I'm putting this whole car together. Y'all can see that coming together, but look at this. This also got the grill lights and the headlights installed. Look how we kind of test things to make sure that everything's good before it starts working, man. And get everything lighting up right, the right focal points, all that kind of stuff. So this was in process, and we got Josh. He made our own little table because the other table's too busy. He's trying to figure out this new DLR kit that they're selling over here from Lighting Trendz. He's gonna figure out how we gotta figure this out because they changed the design, but we'll get it going in a minute, y'all, so stay tuned. Finally got the 300 done today. This is what it's looking like. They already put it together. This is what he did, y'all, to protect him from driving, because he drove to Washington, D.C. It looks weird, but in reality, it worked to save this chip. But I'm gonna show you what we did after we got the whole customization on the lights. We do have the halo ring in there. We did the DLRs and the aftermarket lights and the grills. Let's show you what it looks like now. Looking like, y'all. You got that in there. You got the hood. Everything's done so the customer can be excited. What you're looking like. So now you got the Flow Series DLR boards, the halos, grill, lower grill, everything all done. My question is, how are you feeling right now?
Oh,
you feeling copacetic?
Yes.
You ready to go out there and have some fun with your car?
Oh yeah.
Man, I first want to thank you for coming out here and giving us a chance to serve you, man. But we're gonna have you out. I did get your Instagram already, but you know, the only things you have, if you're driving the car and you see any smoke come out the dash, get out and call 911, your car's on fire.
Okay.
I'll be back with y'all in a few minutes and we continue here. It's true, so meanwhile that one's going on and Isaac's showing him back there what's going on. We got the other one done. So these are called Flow tubes. These are different from the regular DLRs that you got. These are actually tubes, and you can see they look a little more smoother looking than everything else with the fog lights, but this is ready to go here. My Josh is over here finishing it out right now. I should be able to get this delivered to the customer in a few minutes also. I'm gonna call him and tell him to be on his way. What is your question about the Flow tubes?
I like them.
You like them, right? They look a little bit different. They look a little more smoother, actually. They look a little more smoother. Kind of flushes out the light a little bit, though.
I figured out how to do them better now that I did this one.
This is a beautiful thing. How you like it?
I like them.
Well,
really
customer ready to go? I'll be back with y'all in a few minutes when we get this car out of here delivered to the customer. An old friend of mine, Christopher Chadwick, man. I met this guy back in 2006, and he came to the shop. It was a Miracle on Broadway, man. This kid, I seen him be born. And she was like 2 years old when I first met her. This is her car because she's already driving, y'all. So we got the privilege of doing a radio for her today. And just enjoying that time. So that was actually special. But we did something for him. We gave him a test drive on Isaac's car. What do you think about that car?
It's nice, but I feel like it's kind of slow.
He said it's nice, but he thinks it's kind of slow. Damn! Oh, what you gotta say about that, Audio Fox? Now, you know I made him say that, right? But y'all, we'll continue with y'all, man. We want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for the subscriptions, man. Y'all be good. God bless. Stay positive. 2021 is going to be your year if you believe it, man. 2020 was difficult for a lot of people. But, man, I'm always going to tell you guys, you got to focus on positivity, stay around positive things, and positive things will come your way. Y'all be good. God bless.